Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Fine? Very good. Okay, students, today we'll do lesson number 5 sound of A. Sound of A exercise work. Okay, today we'll do work in notebook. Clear? Today's date 31st March 2021. Okay, and you have to write CW classwork on the top and sound of A. Topic name also. Okay, here you have to write the name of the pictures. Okay, clear? You have to first identify the picture, then write the name. Clear? Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is car. Then you will write C-A-R. C-A-R, car. Okay. Now come to next. This is picture of bat. Okay. Spelling of bat is B-A-T. Bat. Clear? Now next, picture of rat. R-A-T. R-A-T, rat. Next, this is hat. H-A-T. Hat. Clear? And this is fan. Okay? F-A-N. Okay, my dear students? Car, bat, rat, hat, fan. Okay, these are words of vowel A sound. Now next, fill in the blanks with vowel A. You have to fill these blanks with vowel A. C blank R. You have to fill vowel A here, but it should be meaningful word. Okay, C blank R. C-A-R, car. B blank L-M. B-A-L-M, balm. J blank R. J-A-R. H blank L-F. H-A-L-F, half. D blank R-K. D, which vowel? A. D-A-R-K, dark. V blank N. V-A-N, van. M blank T. M-A-T, mat. S blank D. S-A-D, set. T blank P. T-A-P, tap. Clear? Car, balm, jar, half, dark, van, mat, set, tap. Clear? These are words of vowel A sound. This work and this work you have to do in your English notebook. Clear? And my dear students, your writing should be neat and clean. Okay? Do this work. Okay? Take care, my dear students. Bye.